Hi, my name is Debra R. Richardson of Debra R. Richardson LLC, and I work with you to help you clean up your vendor data, clean up your vendor processes so that you pay the right vendor. Now, this week's Vendor Master File tip of the week is, what is a diverse vendor? Well, if you Google it, the first thing that will come up is a definition that says a diverse supplier or vendor is a business that is at least 51% owned and operated by an individual or group that is part of a traditionally underrepresented or underserved group. Now, companies are asked to report this information. It could be coming from their board, from their employees, or maybe they work for the federal government where reporting is required. And different companies can identify what groups they want to focus on, but historically, those groups have been based on ethnicity, gender, and size. And recently, additional groups like veteran-owned, LGBT, and disabled have been added as well. Now, I have another video where I talk about the difference between diversity classification, which are these groups, and diversity certification. And I'll link to that so it'll pop up at the end of this video. So make sure you click through that if you are interested in watching. But if you want more information on diverse vendors, I had a great conversation with Niraj Shah on podcast episode 185, where he not only explained diverse vendors, but he also understood the challenge of that the vendor teams have in obtaining and maintaining this information, as well as options to identify diverse vendors in that vendor master file. So you can listen to episode 185 of the Putting the AP in Happy podcast wherever you listen to podcasts. It's everywhere. I do have some options or lists of the directories that it's on there, but it's everywhere. So wherever you listen, search for it and you'll find it. All right, so if you'd like more information on how to improve your vendor process, please go to my website at deborarrichardson.com, where you'll find free tools and resources to avoid fraud, regulatory fines, and just overall bad vendor data. So good luck, and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified next Tuesday for the next Vendor Master File tip of the week.